the boat. This, we got a couple boats back there, and there's John's rig, and that's where I kind of park mine back there. There's a tracker back there now, which is John's stepson's, and that's where I have my boat. This is mine. I call it that's a 1648 Alumacraft. I call it the 10 killer, Killa, killer, the 10 killer, and it's a it's had a lot of Botox done to it, a lot of work done, and kind of pimped it out. My next deal is painting the trailer. That's my next project, which might be this weekend. And like I said, from the tire, the wheels, the wrap, the deck. The only thing I really haven't done yet, I was out here actually shooting a video. Oh, it's a mess up here. But the only thing that I haven't done is, and if you lose me, man, just let me know. And I can. Right. So this is like that's my electrical stuff right there, which is just all the crap. I'm going to do that one day, but it's working right now. So I'm not going to worry about it, but there's like little breakers and stuff back here. You can see all that. But you see a lot of them on these custom Jon boats where they're all neat, and that's the original panel right there, which I've got my live well, my bilge pump, my lights, my radio. I think that's all it's hooked up to that right now. It's those little toggles, which I like. I mean, that's clean. I could just paint it and leave the toggles on there. And that's my live well timer. When I put them big old hogs in there, keep them fresh water. I got my two 6.5s, maybe something like that. I don't know. They bump. It don't matter. They ain't 12s, but I keep them clean. That's the the radio, and I got an opening back in there that I can put like my lunch or my rain gear and just just a bunch of stuff in there if I need to for extra storage. I'm actually thinking about doing like another cut here, maybe, or here to put like another lid. And get that right real quick. And this is my where I keep all my gear and stuff, and there's my live scope box.
That thing is awesome.
Yeah, and I've got like a little TH Marine light stuck up in there, and you can kind of see how it goes back. That's where it goes back up underneath the deck here. And it's just like a little trolling motor. I got this trolling motor for $100, man. A guy had it, and it's 45-pound thrust, 12 volts, all you need really for a Jon boat. And that's a piece of gold right there. I don't know if you've seen that before. That's the live scope transducer, and then I've got the Garmin UHD, the ultra high definition transducer that I run on my 93 SV, and then the live scope runs on my 94, and I've got that TH Marine mount right there. And then I think that's a balls out mount or something like that.
Looks like it.
So I've got them stacked up there pretty good, which is really, it's clean. Yeah, it is a balls out mount. You tighten them little dudes down right there, and I'm also going to get a recessed trolling motor pedal, or recessed tray for my trolling motor pedal. Haven't got that yet, but that's another thing I'm going to do. It's just hard to stop fishing for a while and customize it more, because I want to fish. This is I just put this in a little 12 volt deal here I got, because
we're filming
the one back here from my light, this is my little YOLO stick for videoing, and if you can see, it's cricket when you put it up, and it's kind of wobbly back here. So I installed this a couple weeks ago so it would go here, and then I can film myself up on the front and talk to the camera, and you can hear what I'm saying and kind of I think it's just a better shot.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The
action cameras are so wide angle and the audio isn't great on them anyway. So that
right. I got these little Yeti bags for my kids or for my daughters when we had kayaks and we'd go on the river and stuff, and they never used them anymore. So I took some Velcro, stuck them to the side. So now I got like 2 little saddle bags in here that I use to put my keys and your wallet, your phone, and stuff like that in there. So they come in handy. Fire extinguisher, gotta have that. Here's my throw cushion. My throw raft. This is really cool, and it's not one of those square ones that's going to fly out when you're pulling your boat. You throw it in there just like this, and it expands. Wow. And you're good to go.
Like an inflatable life jacket, but a throw cushion.
Yeah, right. Yeah, throw cushion. Here's my live well. That's a custom made live well for whoever had it before, or wherever the lady had bought it from. The guy was like really good at doing aluminum stuff. I've got my gas can back there, and I've got an Odyssey battery, which is about 150-pound battery right there. And then I've got an Interstate. It's the thing about the live scope, it really needs to be on a separate battery with the other electronics, because it'll freak out if you have it all on one battery. It'll just shut down, and say that it lost signal and this and that. So I actually just I just emailed Lithium Pros, and I'm gonna see if I can't get one of their batteries and shoot a video. I was kind of telling them that, I think I could sell that, or, target that to Jon Boat people, just because these batteries are so freaking heavy. And then you only need one lithium battery, 26 pounds to run everything on here. And you're going to lose a lot of weight and pick up more RPMs. That's my logic.
Yep. And, I agree. And the Lithium Pros guys sponsored the Total Electric Championship, and I've been talking with them trying to get a battery for my boat, but they don't make one big enough yet.
Oh yeah. That's the 2020 Mercury 4-stroke 9.9. It's been a great motor. It still is a great motor. That's just a good. If you know Mercury, they're good, solid motors. And I'd actually like to get one a little bit bigger from when I go out on the big lake.
What kind of speeds are you seeing with that setup?
Right now I'm about at 15 mile per hour.
That's not bad.
50. No, it ain't bad, because this thing's a sled, and I've got a Hummingbird 1199 back here that is for sale, and I'll take $450 for it. So, cheap plug right there. And I think that's about it, man. Honestly,
that's awesome.
My little running lights right there, or the navigation lights. And I got those off eBay for like $20, and ran the wires to the breakers or whatever. And then that's my trim tabs right here. They came on the boat, and I actually love these things because you always run flat. The boat never. It's always running on pad, so you're not like nose up going down the lake. It's always flat. And these things are, the guy actually built these as well. So one on each side. And I've got my Hummingbird Transducer on the back here. That, sometimes it'll grab some sticks going down the water, but for the most part, that's my little drain plug. Fish. That was. Oof, God, that stinks.
Is that from the crappy trip the other day?
Yeah, it is, actually. And I think something got on my jeans, man. Damn. Yeah, that stinks. But anyway, that's my plug. It's actually a wine cork or something. My buddy gave me a drink. I don't drink wine, so I don't know. Something to do with wine.
Fishermen are very ingenuitive.
Yeah. And, I upgraded the lights on my trailer. And I think I got those off of eBay for, Amazon, I'm sorry, for like $25, You know, these two LEDs, and then you got your side LED right there. You know, Amazon, you can get a bunch of stuff for your Jon boat off of Amazon like really cheap. Like that radio was like $60, and it came with the speakers, and you can hook your you know, Bluetooth. You can just hook your phone up to it.
That's awesome.
And the wheels I got those. They were like 200 and some for the wheel and tires. And I think it's called Decked Out Outdoors or something like that. Great company. You know, one of my tires went flat, and I told them, and they sent me another tire. No questions asked, no nothing.
Can't beat that.
No. And like I said, my next project, I'm gonna paint the trailer. I got to get these stickers off of it.
That is cool.
Go to Walmart and get my paint. Spend about $15 in spray cans, and hopefully that'll do it. So, but yeah.
Take your boat to the lake, go fishing for the day, come back, paint it, and put the boat back on it.
Yeah, no doubt. And there's my little tie strap right there. That's ingenuity. There, just you know, I'm gonna eventually get like some ones that mount on the trailer, but like I said, it's kind of hard to stop fishing and see that thing's a little crooked right there. It's what I was kicking up the other day. Ain't too bad now. My fender.
Yep.
But it was bent down where I was stepping up on it. It really needs a bath. I should have cleaned it up a little bit, but
it's all good. Yeah. So if people are looking to follow you and Dude Let's Fish, how can they find you?
Yeah, just YouTube, Dude Let's Fish. You can find me on Facebook, Dude Let's Fish, and Instagram, Dude Let's Fish. I have a Twitter. I'm not really keen on Twitter, but you know, Dude Let's Fish. And then I'm also on TikTok.
Awesome.
Dude Let's Fish. I don't do no dances or like, you know,
and of course
karaoke stuff.
Of course, they need to come over and buy some missile baits to help support you at night.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. That way I can keep my day job and keep building on this thing. But yeah, it's missile baits. You know, check out their stuff as well, which, you know, it's a lot of people know about them, so it kind of self-explanatory. I'm a big fan of the jigs. I got the Missile Jigs logo in my office.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, brother, I appreciate your time, and I'll work on getting this video put together, and we'll get you some more subscribers and send some folks my way, of course.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it.
All right,
Anytime.
dude.